Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. My name is Vedant. If you're new here, go and hit that subscribe button. It's a random 12:28 on a Thursday night, and I had a random spark of inspiration, and hence the video. So let's begin. I'm going to talk about 3 simple ways to make money while you're stuck at home under quarantine. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So stock photos, that's the first and the most simple way to make money. It's no secret, it's all out there. So as a filmmaker and a photographer, we all have tons of hard drives of just footage lying around that we're never going to use. It's just there. So might as well just upload it on the internet and sell it for other people, for other corporates to use it. So that's the easiest way to make money. I have friends who make thousands and thousands of dollars off this every month, and that's how they fund their travels and their camera equipment and other stuff. This is a really simple thing to do. I do it as well. I'll link a few stock photography and videography websites in the description, such as Shutterstock and whatnot. So go and check it out. So the second way of making money is Patreon. There's no secret about it, it's been there for years. All the creators and influencers out there use it. I don't personally use it, but I know people who use it as their main source of income. So Patreon shouldn't be looked down as some sort of charity, or just because you're putting your content out there on other social media such as Instagram and YouTube for free, that they must go and donate to you, right? So here's an example. Let's say you're a good filmmaker and there's that one thing that you do better than anyone else. That's something you can share on Patreon, so other people can pay and see it. Patreon is basically a tier-based, subscription-based platform, if you will. It's like YouTube, but people have to pay in order to see your content. So essentially a Netflix of some sort. So that's what that is. So the third and the final one is YouTube Adsense. It's been no secret, it's been out there as well. Everyone uses it. Now you can too. All you need to do is you need to narrate your own story, something that no one's ever heard before, your perspective on something. You don't need to have a lot of followers to begin with. Zero works, that's how I began, that's how everyone begins. All you need to do is provide your unique perspective on something. And that's the end for today's video. If you like this video, go and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. I've also recently started a TikTok account, I'll link it somewhere up here. Go and check that out. And until next time, my name's Vedant, and I'll see you in the next one.